from this to this. Just when I thought na hindi ko na kailangan mag-upgrade. This one works really, really fine and really, really good. Wala akong problem dito actually. Super comfy niya, super lightweight din, and of course, adjustable. Hindi mahirap kumonek sa kanya, whatever. Nakita ko lang din to actually, and I decided to upgrade na rin kasi like, parang ina-spoil ko yung sarili ko since it's my birth month din naman. It looks so good. Like, sorry. No offense sa'yo, bebe. I really love you. Pero, just look at her. It looks so bulky. Pero, ewan ko, pag suot ko siya, parang di naman siya, like, mukhang bulky. Mas maganda yung noise cancellation feature nito. I barely hear myself. Parang super cloudy ng boses ko when I have this on. I commute a lot and I enjoy wearing this kahit walang music on. Just to like minimize the noises kapag nasa labas. Kasi super ingay talaga sa labas, right? Dati before yung mga headphones na nabibingi ako. Pero this one, malakas siya super. Pero not to the point na babibingi ka tapos wala ka na talagang marinig. Like, pwede ka na sumabak sa whisper challenge. Kaya basta at the same time, conscious ka pa rin sa nangyayari sa paligid mo with this one. If we're looking for a headphones, mag-twinning tayo. Because like, this one's so pretty, oh. Okay, bye guys!